You know those titles where they're the first few words of a paragraph? Hi, my name's Juliet, and today we're looking at setting titles as run-on heads in Scrivener 3 for Windows. This function is probably more for non-fiction than fiction, but you can set titles as run-on heads in Compile. Just create your custom format using duplicate and edit, go to the section layout you want to change, which should be a compound title and text layout, and under title options you'll see the checkbox. Select this and save. You won't see the change in the formatting of the section layout, but you will see it in the section layouts panel after saving. Now this seems to work consistently on Word formats, but not so much on ebook formats. However, it does work on this one for a subheading. I suspect this is to do with general ebook formatting and the default elements required. You may have to have a separated title after a page break, for example, so choose your section layouts carefully if you want to do this. Why would you not just do this on the page? Well, you could, but if you decide after the fact, you now have a way to do it that won't involve you going through your whole manuscript and changing the text. If you want to know how to add separators between your text sections, check out this video here.